In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, Easter Island guards one of humanity's greatest archaeological mysteries: the towering Moai statues. How did an ancient civilization, without modern technology, move these colossal stone monoliths weighing up to 80 tons? For centuries, this question has baffled scientists and archaeologists. These 4-meter-tall giants are scattered across the island, some left unfinished in quarries. Early theories suggested the Rapa Nui people used log rollers and ropes, but 1986 experiments proved this method damaged the statues. A modern walking theory emerged, rocking the statues side to side with ropes. National Geographic's team tested this on small replicas, but could it work for the massive Moai? Groundbreaking 2022 research revealed a smarter possibility: the island's natural slopes. Ancient roads were deliberately built uphill, allowing statues to be walked down with minimal effort. Even more shocking excavations show the Moai have buried bodies up to 6 meters deep, covered in mysterious carvings only visible when unearthed. The red stone hats atop some Moai add another layer of mystery. Weighing up to 12 tons, these cylindrical stones were quarried from a different volcano and somehow lifted onto the statues' heads, demonstrating even more advanced engineering skills that continue to puzzle researchers today. Beyond science, controversial theories persist. Some believe the Moai were created by a lost advanced civilization, or even extraterrestrials. Why do all statues face inland? What do the cryptic petroglyphs on their backs mean? The truth remains elusive. Each discovery raises new questions. These aren't just stone figures, they're silent witnesses to ancient ingenuity that modern science still can't fully explain. Starting a channel is scary, but your support means everything. If you liked this, please subscribe, it motivates me to keep creating.